I have like a really bad tan. Like I don't. Oh. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Laquavia. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. So today I'm gonna be. So today I'm gonna be doing a kind of first review, a first demonstration. I got some new products from Morphe. I'm gonna be trying out their foundation, trying out their concealer, and I got some lip stuff and bronzer, just stuff from Morphe. So doing like a mostly full face of Morphe. So I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face. I forgot to get their primer. Sorry, I just forgot to get it because I just bought like a ton of primer, so I didn't think to grab it. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my favorite. This is by Too Faced, the Hangover Primer. And then in the foundation, I got the color F540. You can see that. I don't know if it's going to focus. F540. I was in the store and I tried on another shade. It looked good, but I wanted something a little darker just to go with the pigmentation of my neck. So I went a couple of shades darker, and then he also advised it, because I have dry normal skin, to pump in like a pump of your favorite like moisturizing primer to help it not be so matte. So that is the color. I'm just gonna pump in a couple of pumps of my primer, one pump of my primer. Okay. I might have gotten it too dark. Ooh, this looks a little, oh my gosh. I may have gotten this too dark. Oh shit, because it looks weird. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Ooh, it looks like it's too red, like a red undertone. I'm more golden. Ooh. That looks, wow, I might have gotten that way too dark. Ooh. We'll see if I'm able to see if I can like fix it with the concealer, but damn. Oh my gosh, I don't know. I may have to mix this with something because I'm going out and I don't want to walk around looking crazy. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the concealer. So I got the shade C 4.35 in the concealer. I just, whoa. I just can't stop looking how weird this looks. Okay, we're gonna fix this. We're going to fix this. Oh my gosh. I have like a really bad tan. Like I don't, oh. This is the shade I'm gonna be using for the concealer. Let's hope it's a saving grace, because oh my, it doesn't look super bad like in person, but like it just looks really weird. So let's hope. I like the applicator on this too. It's kind of a flat. Hope we can save this look. I really do. I won't have to redo my makeup over again after I just did it for the day. I still don't know, like, oof. So, I mean, the concealer is pretty good. Like, it's easy to blend. I think it's somewhat saving this look. Yeah, that looks a lot better. So I did pick up their powder. This is the Filter Effect Filter 8, and I've been using this powder since I got it. Like, I actually really like it. It just makes my under eyes look super smooth. Damn. It comes with like a this under here than that, so it gets like kind of tricky to open and kind of annoying, but I like the powder. And this is the color. Ooh. Put it here so you can see it right there. Then I typically use a brush, but I'll use this just for the sake of the video to see how that applies. I think it's just like a little brush, I guess. Oh yeah. See how good that, it gives you a filter effect. Like, this is so true to the name. Like, I'm obsessed with this powder. It looks so good. I love it. Whoa. I didn't even think to use that. I've been using a brush that looks so good. I'm obsessed. Okay. Okay. Whoa, like that. This is gonna have you looking snatched. Like, oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with this. Okay. Snatched. I'm gonna use our bronzer. This is the Bronzer in the color Showmance. I love this bronzer. It's so good, especially this one right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and bronze up and snatch my face. I feel like I look like a skeleton right now, like a, I don't know. I like it so far. I was a little scared about that foundation, but like it's coming together. Take up just a soft brush to kind of just blend in that powder so it's just not so prominent. I'm gonna go ahead and spray with their setting mist, which I love. Love it, love it. Blush, I'm using their blush trio, and this is the color Pop of Poppy. I already use this all the time, so you've probably already seen it in my videos. I'm gonna mix these two, that is Provocative and Risky. Mix these two together. And then I'll go ahead and do my brows off camera, then I'll be back with the eye look and lips. So, be right back. Okay, brows are done, so we're gonna get to the eyes. Got this palette here. This is their Natural Glow 350 or Nature Glow. This palette here that I thought to use. Then I also have the Jaclyn Hill palette that I bought like a few months ago, and I just really don't use it that often, so I thought I should try it out or use it today. So here, so you can do like a cool, cute look. I'm thinking like something, well, something brownish reddish just to go with this outfit that I have on right now. So I'm gonna start out with this palette. Ooh, if I can open it. I actually want to go ahead and take that under my eye too, using the same brush. Then from the Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm gonna go in with this kind of purplish brown color here. Just put that on the outer corner. I want to add in some red, so I'm going to use the concealer. And put that on my eyelid just so I can make it pop more against this purple. Concealer brush to blend that. Then going back into that Nature Glow palette, I'm going to use this color right here. It's kind of reddish color. I'm going to use this brush here from e.l.f. and just pack that on. Not like as, I was kind of wanting like more of a brick red. It's like more of a coral. Let me go back into the Jaclyn Hill palette because I think it had like more of like a brick red that I was looking for. So using like these two right here in the middle, I'm going to put that on with the same brush. I do want to go back and deepen up my crease, I'm gonna use a color from this Jaclyn Hill, the kind of deeper purple that we used earlier, just to bring back some dimension in my eye. Using my finger, we're just gonna take a little swipe of this color here and just kind of put that on. Then I'm gonna take this kind of flat brush here and just put on, let me spray it. Using this kind of bronzy shimmer here and just put that in my inner corner. Turned into something completely different than what I was like visioning in my mind, but I mean, I think it looks okay. It's good for the day. Then I'm gonna go in and put on my eyeliner. I don't know if they sell eyeliner at Morphe, but I have my favorites. This is just by e.l.f. They're like ink line. And I'm gonna clean up that fallout under my eyes using their powder and just using a powder brush here. Love this powder. If you want to get anything from it, I would definitely get one of their powders because I'm obsessed with it. Like, who needs a Snapchat filter with this powder? Like, okay, so I'll be back with my lashes on and then we'll do the lips and then we'll be done-do. Okay, so my eyes are done, lashes, highlight. I forgot to get their highlight, so sorry about that, but I went ahead and put what I have on. So I did go to Ulta and grab a few of their lipsticks. Okay, so I got one of their matte lipsticks. This is the color Boo. It's like a peachy nude. I thought it was really cute. We'll definitely have to wear this with a liner because it's like a little too bright for my liking, but that is it right there. I got a couple of their, where did I go? I got a couple of their liquid lipsticks. I got the colors Nibble and Fatty. This is Fatty here. That's Fatty. It's really cute. You can barely see that lipstick. That's funny. And then this is Nibble. A brick red. They're really pretty. I don't know what I want to use today. Maybe Fatty. I think it'll go better with this look, or the nude. I want something a little bold though. I think I'm gonna do Fatty. And then I'm gonna use a lip liner. I'm gonna be using, this is by NYX, just a brown lip color. Let me try this one first and then like I'll try Fatty if I don't like how it looks. So let me do the lipstick. It looks cute. It looks like, I don't know, like an orangey brown on me. I don't know how I feel about that. Like my lips kind of blend in with my face. Let me see, try doing. It's cute, it's low-key, like it's something about it I kind of like. It's low-key kind of cute. I feel like it's like, where are my lips? They match my face. I don't know, which lip color would look better. It's very comfortable on the lips too, like it's really, really comfortable. Alright, and this is the finished look. I'm gonna keep with this, the nudie look, because I actually like how it looks. I felt like low-key look like I'm in drag or something, but I mean, I'm here for it. It's really cute. Like, I like this. I'll check in with you guys in like a couple of hours to see, let you know how it's looking, but I'm liking how it looks so far. I don't get what the, I get what the shades, because what I had was super red on me, but when you can make it work with, you know, the concealer. It's not a bad foundation. I feel it looks really cute. I like it. Let me go show you guys what it looks like in like a natural lighting and not just like my lights. But yeah, I like it. this is with natural light. I'm just on my porch. It looks really good. Like, I'm shocked. We went from looking crazy to looking like this. I need to blend this a little more, but it looks really, really good. I like it.